Hey lovely people, welcome to our YouTube channel Astrotara. Today we are going to unbox and review this particular oracle set, which is the Moonology oracle card set, and this is the most selling, the best, I feel the best oracle set available in market. You can buy this on Amazon, Flipkart and many other platforms, and this is the highest reviewed oracle set on Amazon India. So they are like 16,000 reviews, and I don't even know how many people have bought this particular set. So why do these people prefer this particular set is because as you can see, I'll show you later in the video the cards and the stuff in this thing. It's very easy to learn these cards. Like, you don't need to be a very high professional, like superbly supreme tarot card reader to understand these cards. A layman or else a normal, a beginner, a person like a very naive person can also understand what these cards means. Like, you don't need to go through all that tarot stuff, all that oracle thing to understand these cards. They're simply based on waning moon and waxing moon and half moon, full moon days and stuff, and moon in tarots, Capricorn, Cancer and etc. So these kind of cards are very easy to learn, very easy to understand. You can pick a card for yourself or for your friend. You can do this every day. So these cards are actually very easy compared to tarot cards and stuff. So you can see on this box, this particular oracle set has been written by Yasmin Boland, and she has done a fine job with this particular oracle set. Reason being, these are very easy to understand, and I'll say later in this video that this booklet, like you can see here, okay, let the moon be your guide, is written on the box. So you can see this particular booklet isn't enough to understand each and every card. So I would suggest you, and you should be reading her book on this Moonology card thing. So you can buy it on Kindle or else on Amazon. So it has much more detailed stuff than this booklet. So you can see all the layouts and stuff on this booklet, but the meaning and the particular in-depth knowledge isn't there in this particular booklet, because it's very limited thing here. You can see I think this is the app, I guess, for this Moonology card set. So anyways, this is the booklet, and it's okay. I would say for a beginner it's okay, but if you want to dig down, like if you want to go through this Moonology stuff more, so you need to read that book. So this is the card set, and these looks very beautiful. Like, people who like to click photos and post them on Instagram, like they like to do this everyday reading stuff and things like that, this particular set is actually great for them. So this is a new oracle set, so it won't be that easily spreadable. You need to do a process for that. Actually, it creates much more friction than this. These are actually better than other card sets which I have bought from Amazon or else any other platform. So this is the back side of the cards. So you can see they are like half moon, full moon and waxing, waning moon pictures on it. So this is actually like very good oracle set for a beginner, a newcomer, I would say. So this is what I was talking about the friend side of these cards. Every card is actually very beautiful. So this was I was talking about full moon in new moon in Leo, new moon in Gemini, new moon in Libra and stuff. So this actually gives you an insight about each and every card, like what happens if you get a card in Libra, if you get a moon card in new moon card in Cancer and stuff. And you can look at these cards, they are very shiny. I prefer, if you're into photography and stuff and you like to do predictions for Instagram and things like that, this would work pretty better for you. So here's a trick for you to reduce that friction and stuff. You need to lay each and every card on your table and see, I'm trying to spread the cards, but it won't spread at first. So I was just trying, I don't know, I was hoping it would like give me that U shape which every tarot card reader's dreams of getting at first. So this is how you spread each and every card on table. So you need to leave it for for a night, and or else if you don't have a space to leave it overnight, if you have pets and stuff like me, I have pets, so I can't leave them like they would tear each and every card to pieces. So this is how you can leave them for 1 or 2 hours under a fan would be a great idea, or else just you can leave it on your table, and it will reduce that friction in 1 or 2 hours. So this is the best way. So my unboxing was good, great, but my review on this card is that this is a very limited cards. Like it won't work like tarot card. If you want that in-depth knowledge, if you want that in-depth predictions, this is I'm saying for a tarot card reader. If you want that in-depth predictions and you want that accuracy, you won't get that from these cards. These cards are to a limited questions, to a closed questions. But if you get some open questions like will I die in 2022, this is a very open question. So people might not predict those things from these cards, and they might predict from using from other oracle cards like ancestors and angels oracle card, or else tarot cards. So these are very limited cards in my opinion. So you can just buy them for your personal prediction and daily predictions, no more than that actually. So this was my unboxing and review. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.